are gonna be really, really pretty carrots. And the tops are actually great. It tastes like parsley. These beautiful greens are beet greens, and they're actually some of the most nutritious greens you can eat. I love to cook. I'm also a dietitian. I love educating people about the food they're eating. You'll see in this winter garden, we have a little tomato plant. It was from last season or the season before, and it just sprouted on its own. Wow. So this cauliflower is ready to be picked. And she's gonna be, gosh, 3 times the size when she's done growing, huh, pretty girl? It's such a gratifying feeling to be able to harvest something fresh, straight from the garden or straight from your little window, and then use it for dinner